Hi, my name's Isabel from Farm My School, and I'm here today to show you how to make a delicious crunchy coleslaw. This is actually a recipe sent to us from Jamie Oliver, who is a huge fan of Farm My School. So we've got a variety of produce here, some of which we've harvested from our beautiful farm at Farm My School, but all of which you can find at your local grocer. So we've got some red cabbage that we're going to be using, some beautiful crunchy celery, some cherry bell radish, some carrots, which we won't peel because all the nutrients lie in their skin. We've got a beautiful red onion, some apples, which you can substitute with pears if you want to, and some turnips. And we've got some beautiful herbs here as well. And one of the wonderful things about a coleslaw recipe is that you can substitute with lots of different crunchy veg. So you can use fennel, celeriac or kohlrabi if you've got them, and take out some of these ones to substitute for those ones. So we're going to start off by grating and chopping up all our ingredients. So we'll start off with the celery here. So just making sure you chop off the white bottom, the side and the tops. And again, you can use a lot of the offcuts in other things. So the celery tops, you can pop them into a stock if you want to. Cut up the middle here. And you want to try and thinly slice the celery. Once we've done that, grab our bowl, pop all those ones in the bowl. Our carrots. So again, we're not going to peel these ones because all the nutrients lie in their skins. So we'll just go ahead and grate them. Wonderful, so we've grated our carrot, so we'll pop that into the bowl with the celery, like so, and then we'll move on to our apples, so we'll grate these ones as well. So again, leaving the skins on because that's where a lot of the nutrients are, all the good things that we want to have in our bodies. We've grated our apple, so we'll put our apple into the bowl. We'll move on to our cabbage. So with this one, we're not going to grate it, we're just going to thinly slice it. So you may need to cut the half into quarters. And then maybe cut the core out in the middle. Go into your food scraps. And then just really thinly slicing it as like so. So once we've sliced up our cabbage, pop our cabbage into the bowl. And then we'll move on to our onion. So you just want to slice off both ends. And you can pop these ones in the fridge before you use them, and that will help with any teary eyes. Peel the skins off. Alright, so we've chopped our onion, we'll pop our onion in. And we'll head over to our cherry bell radish. These are also really great just to snack on as well. You can pop them in a salad, but they're a really great snack. So we'll chop off the ends, so the green tops. So next we'll move on to our Tokyo turnips. So these are really great for roasting as well as popping into salad. So we'll grate these ones. And over here where we've got our radish, you can slice them, you can grate them. It's up to you depending on how chunky or slim you want your coleslaw to be. So I've julienned the radish and I've grated the turnips. So we'll pop them into our bowl as well. And then we'll head on to our herbs and finally slice those and pop them into our bowl. So I've got a few different things here, some oregano, some basil, and some parsley. So we'll grab a bit of parsley and a little bit of basil and chop them up nice and finely. So just peeling off or picking off your leaves from your herbs. And you can kind of experiment with herbs if you want to. You can use a selection of different ones. And gather them up and roughly chop them. Alright, so we've finally chopped those herbs. We're going to transfer our ingredients to a bigger bowl so that they're ready to be dressed and tossed. So we'll pop those like that. And then pop herbs in. And so all the ingredients are now in the bowl. Now we just need to make our beautiful dressing. Right, so we've assembled all of our veg in the bowl. Now we're going to make the dressing. So we've got some olive oil here, salt and pepper, some Dijon mustard, and some natural yogurt. So we'll pop in a few tablespoons of yogurt, and we're going to pop them all into this jar here so we can give them a bit of a shake. So pop 1, 2, 6, and then 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Next 1, 2, on there. Sprinkle some olive oil. And also some lemon juice, which I'm going to squeeze straight onto the salad. So just making sure that there's no pips in there. So I've de-pipped this one, giving that a bit of a squeeze, and then popping a lid on top of our jar, and then giving it a bit of a shake, like this. Wonderful, so we've done that. We just have to pop on some pepper and a bit of salt. And then we can spoon in our dressing over the top. And then once we've done that, we're good to go, so we can give it a bit of a mix. Toss all our ingredients in together. So we've assembled all our ingredients. We've got our dressing on the salad, and I've given it a bit of a toss, as you can see there. Once you're done, just adjust your seasonings as you need to. So if you need more salt or pepper, pop them in, give them a bit of a toss, and you're good to go. Enjoy.